Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm sharing chicken cheese kebab. Crispy on the outside, juicy inside and filled with melted cheese. A perfect snack for evenings, parties or special meals. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl take 1 cup chicken pieces. Cheese-filled kebabs are popular fusion snacks. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 green chili, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well. Lemon juice enhances flavor and tenderness. Add 1 teaspoon flour. Transfer the mixture to a blender. Add fresh coriander leaves and blend into a smooth mixture. Blended chicken gives a soft and juicy texture. Take a small portion of the mixture in your hand. Place mozzarella cheese in the center and cover well to seal the kebab. Seal the cheese filling properly to avoid leakage. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the kebabs for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and cook properly. Medium heat frying keeps kebabs crispy outside and soft inside. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying. Chicken is a good source of lean protein. Homemade kebabs use control oil. Fresh spices enhances flavor naturally. Best enjoyed fresh and hot. Your chicken cheese kebab is crispy, cheesy and full of flavor. Serve it hot with dip or sauce of your choice. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy chicken snack recipes.